Mobile apps are playing a significant part in our everyday lives, with consumers spending an average of just over 4 hours a day on apps. Aspiegel, the digital service provider behind App Gallery, spoke to us about cybersecurity trends for apps and how developers and app store operators can work together to create a safer app marketplace for consumers.
The apps on our mobile devices provide access to shopping, banking, news and entertainment services. But what are the cybersecurity risks to consider?
Cybersecurity is an incredibly important topic for the app industry. In 2020, there were over 218 billion apps downloaded. Hi, I'm Aoife Brodigan, Marketing Director for Aspiegel. We're headquartered in Dublin and we operate in over 60 markets. We provide the digital infrastructure, cybersecurity and marketing operations for a range of apps and services in Europe. Today we have over 550 million monthly active users using App Gallery. We also have over 4 million developers globally and about 123,000 registered developers in Europe.
To get onto App Gallery, every new app and every updated app has to pass a series of tests, underpinned by a simple cybersecurity philosophy.
Trust nothing and verify everything. I'm Matthew Lemon, the VP for Cybersecurity. From a practical perspective, it really means that we have a multi-stage process to get something from the developers into App Gallery to make sure that there are no vulnerabilities found, that there's no malware in that code. We reject about 35% of the applications that are submitted to us for things like weak passwords, developers not encrypting all of the personal data, and then it's around 15% where we actually find abnormal behaviour in an application.
And Aspiegel has developed 5 privacy principles which guide its approach to protecting customer data.
Our first principle is transparency. We want to make sure that we give customers full visibility on the data that they're choosing to share with us. Our second principle is legal compliance. With the marketplace in Europe changing rapidly, we wanted to put in place a dedicated privacy team to help us comply with all local laws and policies. Our next principle is privacy by design. When it comes to designing applications, we feel it's really important to start thinking about privacy and security right at the beginning of the process, not at the end. Our next principle is customer benefit. Whenever we introduce new features or we look to ask customers for new information, we stop and ask ourselves, is this really going to benefit the customers? Do we need this feature in order to make the app work more effectively? And our final principle is security. Security underpins everything that we do in Aspiegel.
At the company's DigiX labs in Dublin and Dusseldorf, app developers get to test their products, making sure they work and are secure across all platforms. When apps are rejected, Aspiegel works with developers to help them understand the reasons why and provides access to technical support teams to help fix issues.
Some of them may forget to encrypt customers' data. They may not enforce strong passwords, and the developer support team can point those things out to them, and as ex-developers they can help them at a code level to remediate that and to build up their security footprint.
Consumer demand for apps and services is only going to continue to grow. Our mission for Aspiegel is to continue to provide great apps and services while maintaining the protection of our customers. We believe that by working together with developers, business partners and industry experts, we can all come together to make security a priority and ensure we're creating safer cyberspaces for everyone to enjoy.